you.
Hello, friends! Today, I'll tell you about the importance of registering on ChatGPT. You might ask, why register? Firstly, it opens access to personalized settings, making your experience more convenient. Secondly, you'll gain extended access to resources and exclusive features. Registration also allows you to save results and become part of the community, influencing the platform's development. If you want to make the most of ChatGPT, registration is your first step towards a more engaging interaction. Let's create a unique experience together. Registration on ChatGPT is simple, but there are some nuances. I don't know why, but in some countries, ChatGPT is blocked, and in such countries, registration is not possible. However, people find ways to bypass government restrictions and register using a VPN. In our case, there is no need for this, and we will register through the standard process. Let's get started. In the browser's search bar, type ChatGPT. In the search results, find the link that leads to the OpenAI website and is titled Introducing ChatGPT. You will see the OpenAI website where you can register. Click the Login button. In the pop-up window, you will be asked, what would you like access to? ChatGPT or API access? Choose ChatGPT. You will be redirected to the registration page. Click on the Sign Up link. On the registration page, enter your email into the provided field and click Continue. Now, create a password. Note that the password must consist of at least 12 characters. After entering the password, click Continue. Personally, I save my password using Firefox. The system informs you that you need to verify your email. Go to your email inbox and find the email from OpenAI. Open it and click on the Verify Email Address link. To proceed with registration, the system will ask for your name and surname. The organization name is optional. The system also asks for your date of birth. When you finish entering the required information, click Continue. To complete registration, you need to confirm your phone number. Enter your number and click the Send Code button. After a few seconds, you will receive a message on your phone with the specified code. Enter the code into the designated field. If you've done everything correctly, a page with access to ChatGPT will appear. Okay, let's go. After registering an OpenAI account, you can choose a free ChatGPT account or opt for the premium ChatGPT Plus subscription for a monthly fee of $20. An OpenAI account also grants you access to other OpenAI models, such as DALL-E and DALL-E 2. I will cover how to use ChatGPT in the next lesson. For today, I'll wrap up and bid you farewell until our next meeting.